Japan is one of the few countries in the world known to have soft soil. In a country where land area is limited, problems related to soft soil, unsuitable for reclamation and construction, had to be overcome in order to effectively use the limited land. Various methods to improve soft soil have so far been proposed, developed, and practically used. The CDM method is a deep admixture stabilization method using cement slurry as a binder. The CDM method has been successfully used since its development in 1977 as a deep mixing method. It has become firmly established as the most popular ground improvement method. The scope of application of this method has been extended by making further improvements to cater to various needs, such as high quality, environmental consideration, and rapid construction. Items to be examined in the CDM method are the laboratory mixing test and test boring of the improved soil. The mixing test is conducted in the laboratory to determine the amount of cement to be added to the soil before the construction work. The type of binder and the mixing ratio are determined to obtain the design strength based on this laboratory mixing test. Thus, improved soil satisfying specific strength requirements can be obtained. The quality of the treated soil can be inspected by performing a compression test on the samples obtained from boring after the construction. The CDM method is frequently adopted for marine constructions such as revetments, quay walls, and breakwaters. CDM barges are classified into three types with improved areas of 2.2, 4.6, and 5.7 square meters. The CDM barge is automatically positioned with the aid of GPS in marine construction work. A new construction control system has been installed, allowing construction work to be performed with higher accuracy that results in further labor saving. The CDM method has also been adopted for land constructions such as roads, river dikes, and various kinds of structures. The CDM method entails injecting cement slurry manufactured in the plant through the ends of mixing blades of a mixing machine. The cement slurry is injected into soft ground while stirring and mixing to the specified depth for improving the soil. After the bottom treatment is completed, the mixing machine is withdrawn while disaggregating and mixing the slurry and soil. These tasks are repeated to obtain improved soil of specific quality. The standard mixing machine used in the CDM method on land generally consists of mixing blades with two axes, but in recent years, mixing blades of large or four-axis type machines have also been developed and are being used. Let's look at the 5 menus of the CDM method for recent construction works on land. The standard type CDM machine has biaxial mixing shafts and blades and is 1 meter in diameter. The CDM Mega method with larger mixing blades of 1.2 or 1.3 meters in diameter is used for rapid construction. The CDM Column 21 method machine has unique mixing blades of 1.5 or 1.6 meters in diameter and is used for improving relatively high-strength ground. The CDM Land 4 method machine has 4-axis mixing shafts and blades to achieve more uniform, improved ground. The CDM Lodic method. Due to the equipped soil removal function, mixing procedure does not cause any displacement in adjacent structures. The appropriate method can be selected from the said 5 CDM approaches, according to the improvement depth, soil conditions, and environmental conditions. A CDM control system has been installed for these CDM methods. This system enables centralized real-time management of the depth, speed, rotational speed, current value, and quantity of cement slurry of all mixing machines, thereby achieving construction with high reliability. The CDM Mega Machine consists of large-size mixing blades with the standard type CDM machine. This CDM method has been developed for using large mixing blades. While inheriting the advantages of the standard 2-axis machine, the diameter has been increased to 1.2 and 1.3 meters. The method can improve soil to a depth of about 40 meters. Compared to the standard 2-axis machine, the work duration and cost can be further reduced. The CDM Column 21 method was developed as a large cross-sectional area construction technique, capable of improving even hard sandy soil with an N value of about 20. The method can improve soil to a depth of about 40 meters using 2-axis mixing machines of increased diameter ranging from 1.5 to 1.6 meters. The layout of equipment is designed to assure machine stability. The machine has upper and lower mixing blades, which rotate in different directions to achieve uniformity of the treated soil. The CDM Land 4 construction method makes use of a combination of two sets of standard 2-axis mixing machines to form a 4-axis machine. The method can improve soil to a depth of about 33 meters. It can reduce the cost of a project in terms of both time and money. The CDM Lodic method was developed to prevent ground movement over the circumference area and existing structures. The CDM Lodic machine excavates in situ soil corresponding to the amount of cement slurry to reduce ground deformation. Due to its benefits, the CDM Lodic method has been often applied to constructions in heavily urbanized city areas. The CDM Lodic machine can be used for work at large depths, as well as the standard dual-axis machine and CDM Mega. From offshore to reclaimed areas on land and up to urban areas. The CDM machine can successfully improve soft ground up to 60 meters under the sea surface in offshore constructions. On land, the method can improve soft ground up to 55 meters below the surface. The total volume of improved soil came to 55 million cubic meters in 2004. As the result of continuous developments in machines, execution technique, and quality control, the CDM method can achieve the design requirements in a wide variety of ground and execution conditions. Thanks to numerous past experiences and newly developed methods, it is now possible to precisely satisfy all kinds of design and construction demands. The CDM method, a sort of wet method developed in Japan, is the most widely applied method not only for land constructions but marine constructions too. The CDM Association has continuously promoted the development and application of the CDM method worldwide. Environmentally friendly yet high quality. By reducing the cost of projects in terms of both time and money, applications of CDM are expanding all the time.